Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making it safe. Power down the device or vehicle and remove any charging cables. Put on gloves and eye protection. Sparks are real. Once done, loosen the negative terminal first to reduce short risk, then the positive. Take a quick visual scan for acid, corrosion, or a swollen case because those indicate serious problems. Make sure to lay metal tools aside to avoid bridging terminals and position the battery access so you can work steadily without strain. You next test and clean. Check voltage to confirm whether the connection or the battery is at fault, around 12. 6 volts is normal for lead acid. Then remove corrosion using a brush and a baking soda water paste. Brush until metal is shiny. Once clean, recheck contact surfaces and determine if cable ends fit snugly. If resistance seems high or the clamp deforms, swap the cable or crimp a new terminal. Make sure to dry everything fully before reconnecting. You finish by reconnecting the positive terminal first and the negative last. This prevents accidental shorts while you work. Tighten clamps until they are secure but avoid crushing the post. Once connected, attempt to start or power the device and watch voltage behavior. Stable readings mean success. If symptoms continue, make sure grounds and inline fuses are intact, try a known good cable, or test with a load tester. If still unresolved, this troubleshooting tip will save you. Replace.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.